How to change country on Google account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change country on Google account. To change the country on your Google account, first of all, you will need to open your Google application on your mobile device and here ensure that you are signed in with the Google account you'd like to modify. Once signed in, here tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of your screen and from this menu, here scroll down and select the settings option. Once selecting it, you will be taken to settings page. Here scroll down and then tap on this other settings option. Once selected, here you will be able to locate language and region option. Tap on this option and inside it, here you will be able to locate search region option. Simply tap on this option and inside it, here select your desired country from the list. Once after selecting your region, you can exit the settings and the changes will take effect immediately. So by following these steps, you should be able to change the country on Google account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.